So what started as a hobby 30-something years ago turned into motorcycle heaven for me. And we've managed to put together what I would say is probably one of the greatest motorcycle garages and experiences that I've ever been in myself. We wanted to create a similar road to where Vale Onslow's used to be. And for those people who live in Birmingham, you'll know that Vale Onslow's is, it used to be one of the main bike shops on the Stratford Road, Sparkhill. And we kind of did it, we did this mural with that in mind, to create that sort of old-fashioned terraced house look that was turned into shops. That's one of our main features down here, and of course, all of our bikes, which is just an amazing fleet of great bikes. Starting there, look at this, we've got the BSA there, looks fantastic with that mural there. And then we've got all of the dream garage that we wanted with Ducati, Harley Davidsons, Triumphs. We've got the Royal Enfield range as well. That's the amazing Ducati Street Fighters. We've got the R90 BMWs, Harley Davidsons, pretty much everything, you know. But we got more because we decided to build our version of the Ace Cafe. Now, this is more of a canteen for your customers when they come down. It's also a meeting point for when we do our routes and rides. And it's a great sort of replica of what we would think was a cafe back in the 1950s, where the cafe racing started. You know, the cafe racers would start meeting at cafes like this in London. They'd have the Wurlitzer jukeboxes, which had just came out. We managed to get a mini replica one. And they'd put a record on and they'd have to travel round and meet back at the cafe. And the winner would take the prize. We also put together our own curiosity store, the Speed Shop. And this is for all of our merchandising. And you can see inside here, this is just fantastic. I wanted to kind of get that great Aladdin's cave feel for motorcyclists who can come in, they can find all sorts of goodies and things that they're not used to seeing anywhere else in any other store. And that's what we wanted, you know. We wanted to find these odd things you might want to carry in your pocket, you might want on your belt, you might want to change your petrol cap. All of this stuff, and all of our own merchandise and brand now with our clothing. You know, we have quite a big clothing range now under the Easy Rider store. This is our new logo lately, Fly the Flag. That's what we're all wearing this year. All of our own gloves and branded riding apparel. So that's what we wanted to do in here, and I've got to say, I love it in here. It's absolutely fantastic. Be better when there's a bit of aircon though, because it's a bit warm. Well, we're also doing custom bike parts now. We've got several deals on the table with different firms, and we're able to do pretty much everything. If you want to build choppers, come and see us. We can do the parts for you. We can get your parts quite cheap as well and get them shipped out to you. You can deal with us here in store. You can deal with this in person here, or you can deal with us over the phone or on the website, easyridertenerifemerch.com. That's where you're going to find the Speed Shop online. So, is that it? Well, not really. We got more, yeah, because we continued then to build. Our administration team is now here. This one's just getting finished next week. And you see those signs that was popping up on our socials. This is where they were all going. This is where all of the Ride Time Radio, admin, sales, administration, all of that's in there with the team, and of course all the team for the actual size of the business. I mean, this started off with 6 or 4 bikes, and here we are again. Here we go again, as my wife would say. We're doing parts now, oils, filters, spark plugs and stuff like that. That's all going to be in stock down here. All of the rentals, of course, and all the rental equipment can be found down here as well. So we always, you know, you've got your helmets, your gloves, everything that you need if you come over and rent a bike. But we also decided to build ourselves a maintenance workshop now as well, where we'll be able to look at your bike's issues. We're more going to be going for purchasing parts and fitting them for you. Doing the maintenance on the bikes and stuff like that, I probably will steer away from, because we don't want to really be changing oils and filters and that. We can get your parts and that for you, but we're more interested in making your bike look better, making it more custom, homologation, making it passes the ITV. If you've got ITV problems, come down and see us. We can have a look and we can try and make your bike fit for the ITV and purpose. Emissions, making sure they're good. And of course, it's not here yet because it's on its way from America. We have the rolling road, and that will be here from Dynajet in, I think, about 6 weeks. And then that will get installed here as well. So we are going to be more of a tuning shop than we are anything else. The Dynajet Canary is going to be our brand under that, fully fledged with Dynajet in the USA and the UK, and that's what's coming. That's what's coming next. Also, back into a bit of motocrossing. The boys are back on the dirt. So we'll probably be building a race team for them, and they'll be flying under the flag of Easy Rider and little Jackson's bike, of course, as he gets into it. It's going to cost me a small fortune, no doubt. So that's it. That's what we've got going on. That's what we've been doing. That's why our socials have been a bit quiet over the last few months, because we've been building motorcycle heaven.